Hello everyone, this is Priyasha Das from XAT, and here we are with a video in which I'll be telling you what are the important forms which you should fill in for the colleges which accept the XAT score. So of course we all are aware of the top 2-3 colleges which do accept the XAT score, but then there are a couple more colleges which do accept the XAT score at different cutoffs. I'm making this video at this moment because knowing the fact that XLRI is closing its forms on 10th of December. So if you're watching this video before that, make sure that you people definitely fill in the form of XAT if you haven't done that yet, because that is a doorway not to the first few colleges you see on the screen right now, but to many more. So we will talk about each one of them and do their analysis based on their fees and based on their average placement, so that you can have an average ROI right in front of your eyes. Okay, and also the percentile at which they set up their general cutoffs for the past 4-5 years now. So let's talk about it quickly. Also, I want to bring up two important things before I start talking about things in this video. The first thing is that this video will be very important for the ones who are currently in a situation, who have started the 30 days preparation of my channel but are somewhere not finding it enough to get good marks in the mocks which they are giving right now, and also for the ones who are getting a pretty good number of like scores in their mocks, or they have done good in their CAT exam as well. But then for you people, it's very important to have a good score in that as well, because that is something you can add to your credibility, remember. And for the ones who are finding yourself difficult to move ahead with the XAT syllabus and to complete it or get enough marks in the mock, there is a lot more to get apart from the first few colleges you see on the screen right now. Okay, also I am working on a very detailed video which will be on the analysis of the scores versus percentiles, not just for the last year but for the past 3 years, and I'll be making a predictive analysis based on that and would like to predict the scores of this year as well. Of course, it completely depends upon the difficulty level of the examination, which can be determined only after the exam, but there's still a chance to predict, right? So we can predict and get the cutoff numbers at least, so that हमारे दिमाग में एक bare minimum number होगा जिसको हम लोग target करके आगे बढ़े. So starting off with this video right now, if you see the 90th percentile above colleges which accept the cutoffs above that, you would see XLRI, Jamshedpur, Delhi together, XIM, MICA, IMT, IMI. All of these are ranging somewhere around 95 to 90 percentile, and for actually securing 95 to 90 percentile, I'll tell you one thing. I just don't want to cramp up the video with lots of data. So therefore, I'll not take the average data on which I'm already working on, but just to give you a quick analysis for the past year paper for 2023 XAT, it was very clearly seen that if you score somewhere around 30, 35, then you would be able to secure or get the cutoff calls. Okay, so don't worry about that. That is a very secure number, and of course more than 35 is of course welcome, but then 30 to 35 was a safe score for getting a call. Okay, coming down to 90 percentile to 80 percentile frame, that also has a couple of very good colleges like Fort, Tapmi, Great Lakes, Goa, KJ Somaya. Okay, all of these will be accepting somewhere around 80 to 87 percentile, and for getting an overall score of 80 to 87 percentile for the past years at 2023, you people needed somewhere close to about 25 marks or something. Okay, so just take it as 25 to 27. That marks was very good considered to these tier colleges, where you could find really good average placements compared to the fees they are taking. So keeping these numbers in mind, of course you can definitely fill in the forms of these colleges if they are already open, and some colleges also open their forms after that. So keep an eye over it and follow XAT, because I'll be updating you on the timelines as well. And then coming down to 70 to 80 percentile, well, we again have a couple of really good colleges like Great Lakes, Gurgaon campus, and Wellinger, Bimtech, XIME. Okay, these are some good colleges. V School, Jackson. These are decent colleges, and to just secure a cutoff percentile between 72 to 75, it really goes down, guys. It goes somewhere around 19 to 20 marks. Okay, that is a very safe score. If you get an overall score of 19, 20 as determined in the last year, like 2023, that paper, then you are somewhere very sure to get a call from these colleges as well. And if you compare the ROI based on the fees and based on the placement ranges, it's pretty good. Okay, so it's not bad as well. And this is for those folks who are not able to start their preparation also right now, or they are thinking that pata nahi mera kya hoga. I'm doing the planner, I'm trying to practice the questions, but still when it comes to sectionals or mocks, मुझसे questions बन नहीं रहे हैं. आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, because if at all you have to do MBA this year only, do and die situation, these colleges forms should definitely be filled by you. At least 4 to 5 colleges between this range. Okay, and then this range actually extends down also to a couple of good more colleges. Of course the range is somewhere around 17, 18, 16 marks. इसमें आपको आराम से कट ऑफ क्लियर हो जाएगा. Now coming down to this is something I really don't expect you people to think of right now. इन सारे colleges के form after that खुलने वाले हैं, so don't worry about it right now. अगर ऐसा कुछ भी होता है that after that you are not able to get a very good score as you expected right now, and if it is the situation that आपको इसी साल MBA करना है no matter what, then these colleges are some couple of good handful decent colleges जिनका आप नाम ले सकते हो for good placements as well. Okay, always remember that the faculty there is also good because उन्होंने भी अपनी PhD वगैरह कर रखी है. Only thing is that you have to apply a bit more of networking in these colleges. इन colleges में पढ़ाई खराब नहीं होती है, पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी होती है. The only thing which is lacking here is a bit of brand presence and networking. So for that what you can do is, if at all this happens that you're not able to get the desired score and you have been like forced to take admission this year only, and if you're taking in any of these colleges which I mentioned here, the only thing which you can do is develop a good network in these 2 years, reach out to people on different platforms, and make sure that you're visible on every desk. And if that happens, you can really secure a very good placement in a very good company which does come in these 70, 80 and 90 percentile colleges. Okay, so feel free guys to be agile, and I hope this video was useful to all of you. Make sure if you have any more queries and questions like that and want me to make a video on that, then feel free to comment below. And you guys know I'm just making it at night, because I just realized that 10th of December is the last day for that form. So please fill in the ZAT form without fail. I'll be adding the link on the description box as well. And the best thing is that since you people give me so much of energy to stay active and always come up to your help, if there's anything you want me to help up with, just 2 steps to follow me on Instagram and DM me over there. I'll be always there to help you. And if you need any important materials, feel free to use my Telegram group. Okay, that's the best place ever. So if you like this video, everyone, make sure you hit that like button without fail. If you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. And please do share. It's for everyone. Share this video in all the groups you have. And see you in the next one, guys. Study well, take care. And if you have any queries, feel free to reach out. Thank you.